Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Dilia Alisha. I am going to share with you about company that our team choose, the BOEING company. The BOEING company is a global firm based in United States that design, manufacture, and sell aircraft, rotorcraft, rockets, satellite, telecommunication, equipment, and missiles across the world. On July 15, 1916, William Boeing established Boeing in Seattle, Washington. William and Conrad Westervelt created the B&W seaplane. In 1917, the organization was renamed Boeing Airplane Company, with William Boeing forming Boeing Airplane and Transport Corporation in 1928. In 1931, the group merged its four smaller airplane into United Airplane. In 1934, aircraft manufacturing was required to be separate from air transportation. In 1960, the company bought Vertel Aircraft Corporation, which at the time was the biggest independent manufacturer of helicopters. During the 1916 and 1917, the company diverged into industries such as outer space travel, marine craft, agriculture, energy production, and transit system. In 1995, Boeing partnered with Russia, Ukraine, and Anglo-Norway organization to create Sea Launch. In 2000, Boeing acquired the satellite segment of Hughes Electronics. As you can see right here, this is their current organizational chart. There is 21 members at the top. 1. CEO David L. Carnhout, and there are 20 executive council members who are all vice presidents. There is departmentation, as you can see right there, 22 different departments. What is great about the departmentalization is the size, because of the amount of people that they have in each of department. Boeing have hundreds of people in each of them. Boeing used the matrix structure. That is because Boeing has combination of functional and product services. It is also crucial to highlight the circumstance that prompted management to select this specific design approach. Furthermore, the effectiveness of this technique should be assessed. The model that Boeing uses as of right now is mechanistic, and the three key points. The three key points are: number 1, high specialization; number 2, clear chain of command; and number 3 is centralization. What makes it good, this type of matrix structure and the mechanistic model, is that give people the ability to know who would doing what and when. Overall, one can state that this corporation senior executive pay significant attention to the nature of its good and activities. Despite significant drawbacks, this system is the best solution for Boeing's demands. The mission of Boeing is people working together as a global enterprise for aerospace industry leadership. The mission statement highlights how the corporation is not just focused on making airplanes, but is also determined to contribute value to society. Boeing vision is designed to inspire and focus all employees on a shared future, and to reaffirm that together we can meet the challenge that lie ahead. Boeing has traditionally liked to recognize employees' leadership potential. It is a means of motivating their competent staff to collaborate for a brighter future. Boeing's mission and vision statement indicate that the corporation wishes to foster a work culture in which teams collaborate to effect long-term change. They concentrate on creating a community in which individuals keep in touch. Boeing admire the leadership that bring teams together and motivate competent workers to strive for the great good. Their basic value are as follow. Number 1, device sitting in unity. Number 2, having an impact on society rather than the environment. Number 3, accountability. Number 4, engineering excellence for a better future. And lastly, quality and safety for all.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Hazira Amira binti Abdul Jamil. I would like to continue with the compensation component. There are 4 in the BOEING company. First is compensation and incentive. Second is life. Third is financial and retirement benefits. And the fourth is health and well-being benefits. In the compensation and incentive is base pay, incentive pay, recognition, employee stock purchase plan. And in life, there is paid time off, vacation, sick leave, holidays, bereavement, child care, and tutoring for children. As for financial and retirement benefits, there are tuition assistance, saving for retirement, student debts, BOEING sponsored scholarship. And the last one, health and well-being benefits. There are medical, dental, vision, disability coverage, lastly, and insurance coverage. Okay, now let's continue with the pay level in the BOEING company. Okay, as shown in the table, one of the position of software engineer that they offer in the company. So BOEING company paid the employees based on their skills, knowledge, and job scope. If the employee is fresh graduate with no experience, the employee will be offered in level 1 L1 as entry level. As for L5, level 5, principal of software engineer has way more experience than the rest of the level. With this qualification, it shows that BOEING company pay their employees by level of their skills, knowledge, and experience. Okay, as for the pay mix, from the research of BOEING company, they have used the pay mix strategy by rewarding the incentive pay and recognition to the employees who have increased their performance in the company. From the compensation component, it has stated in the incentive pay that the employee will earn annual incentive based on the employee and company's performance. So the BOEING company will offer pay cash bonuses when they meet their business goals. Based on the table, it shows that pay level and pay mix is the key method of influencing and motivating the employees' behavior as well as the performance, and it's one of the most effective compensation strategies.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nofar Hizani binti Amran and I will be explaining on pay structure. So what is pay structure? A pay structure is a structure composed of which grades, levels, or bands that link related jobs within a hierarchy or series. It provides a framework to implement rewards, strategies, and policies. Pay structure is usually designed to ensure the reward strategy is aligned with the organization missions and visions. So how is pay structure in the BOEING company? In BOEING company, the pay structure is using the grade and ranges pay structure. The base pay in BOEING is influenced by numbers of factors. They have 4 factors to influence the pay structure in BOEING company. Number 1 is the content and level of work. Number 2, the value of job in external market. Number 3, the business environment. And last but not least, number 4 is the value of contribution towards the company's success. So next, we move on to software and application that has been used by the BOEING company related to compensations and benefits. The BOEING companies has utilized 3 types of software and application related to their compensation and benefits. So number 1 is the BOEING company portal by SAP. This software or application enables the employees to submit and view their claim status in the software itself. And apart from that, it is also enables the employees to upload their hard copy receipts in order for them to submit the claims. And this can avoid them in missings of documents. For example, the hard copy receipts, which when they upload the documents, it will be stored in the clouds linked to the portal. And apart from that, this software also provides the employees to view their employee handbooks and also user guide. So the second software or application that has been used by the Boeing company is Workday. This Workday enables the employees to view their entitled leaves, and this Workday also being used by employees to apply their leaves. And apart from that, the function of this software is also enables the employees to view and download their payslip. So their payslip will be handed over to them through these Workday applications. And another interesting functions of this Workday is that they can attend online training that has been provided by their company. So they can go through in Workday and they can choose whatever the available online trainings that has been provided. And another interesting functions of this Workday application is that they can view any available vacancy internally among the Boeing company's region. So they can actually view their opportunities, whether there has been any vacancies among the Boeing company itself. And then the last software or application that has been used by the Boeing company is Our People by the Boeing company. So this software provides the functions of talent management system, where the performance review is being conducted using this software. So this is where the employees will upload their key performance index, and the grades and ratings will be graded by the direct managers in the system itself. So as a conclusion, we can see that the Boeing company has provided a wide range of compensations and benefits to their employees. For example, paid time off, paid tuition fees assistance, childcare, health and pensions plan, and many more. But because of that, there also can be some improvements and recommendation that can be done by uh, by the Boeing company in order to improve their compensations and benefits package towards the employees. For example, they can conduct the market research, and they can conduct the employee survey. And another improvement that they can do is the communication between the employer and employee regarding compensations and benefits. So this can be a more transparency between the management and also towards the employees. And last, as a conclusion, if there is a higher satisfaction among the employees related to compensations and benefits, the higher the loyalty towards the companies and the lower the turnover rates towards the company. And that's all from us. Thank you.